Hey guys, welcome to another episode of AndyMakes. I'm busy, putting together a 3D printer at a school that I work at. Okay, so before we could bottle the beer, we had to add the beer finding. So the purpose of this is to clear the beer, which gets rid of some of that cloudy look of it. So the next thing that we had to do using the cold water detergent was to wash the bottles. And so we had a bottle brush, we had soapy water, and I just washed these in my kitchen sink, and had it all set up and lined up, ready for sterilization. So we filled the bottles up about halfway, screwed on the lid for sterilization, and then shaked it about, making sure the sterile solution covered all the surfaces of the bottle. This is really important because we don't want any nasty stuff in there while our beer is conditioning. So after sterilizing it, we then needed to bottle our beer. And so one of the things to do, there's a little attachment. There's a little attachment and it's attached straight to the tap. And then using suction and gravity, the end of the nozzle got pushed with the inside of the bottle. I hope this is making sense, and it would fill up with beer. And so when the beer got to about 5 centimeters from the top, that's when we'd stop, screw on the lid, and so one of the hacks that I sort of developed for myself, because I'm really worried about the bottles exploding, I put a black sack inside the original box where the bottles came in, and so this way if any bottles or all of the bottles explode, at least it's been caught in that and it's not going all over our hot water cupboard. So the bottles are now in their boxes, and then we found a nice warm place, which is our hot water cupboard, and this is was recommended as a place for them to condition. And actually in a few days I'll be moving them to a cool dark place, and this again helps with clearing the beer. Us is to wait about 2 weeks in total to start drinking our first sampling of beer, and I'll be making a reaction video about that. Thank you so much for hanging out. If you do like these types of videos, or if you've checked out some of my other ones, please consider subscribing. It's a real awesome way to show your support for my channel and for what we're trying to do here together. Cheers.